I'm thinking, but how? Why? I think I should just try. Don't think so much. Just do it. And for that, I'm right here, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls. I am Aris Gandhi, and I'm here to kind of discuss or talk about why you should start a YouTube channel in 2020 or how you should start a YouTube channel in 2020. So, first, let's start with why. Well, now you may think that ये आदमी ये आदमी हमें ज्ञान देगा. He'll tell us how or why should one start a YouTube channel. इसके खुद के subscribers देख लो. Well, yeah, I don't have very many followers yet, but the point of having a YouTube channel is to be consistent. Ab when the followers come and when the subscribers follow you, that's something to be seen in future, and that depends on how regularly you make your content or your videos. But for now, we are here to talk about or discuss how to start a YouTube channel in 2020 and why should you. So first of all, let us talk about what all do you need to start a YouTube channel. What do you need? A fancy camera, a basic camera, a good phone, or just a basic phone. And I've always said, and everybody says that content is king. तो इट डजेंट मैटर कि तुम्हारे पास कौन सा फोन है, कौन सा कैमरा है, वो सब छोड़ो. इक्विपमेंट टेक्निकलिटीज छोड़ो, कंटेंट पे फोकस करो. ट्राई एंड क्रिएट थिंग्स और ट्राई एंड मेक वीडियोज which are entertaining or which are engaging for your audience rather than trying to have the best of equipment or lights or mic or camera. So for a start, you need a good camera. You need decent audio quality. Like I've said earlier before also that if you have okay types video quality वो चलेगा, लेकिन audio is little bit more important than the video at times, especially for YouTube videos where you are talking to your audience or you are kind of teaching them something or stuff like that. Because if you don't have good audio, even if the person is working or you just listening to you, if the audio is not nice, then engagement level इतना नहीं होता है. So you need to kind of have decent audio. There are various ways to have good audio. You can have a professional mic ranging from say 2,000, 5,000 to a couple of lakhs maybe. But you don't need to go there. For that, I have made a video right here. So you can click on this link and I have made a video on which is the one of the most reasonable and cheap mics for making YouTube videos or vlogs or whatever. It's a very good basic awesome mic called the Rode Smart Lav Plus. You can also buy the Rode Micro, which is this one. And it is a very good mic to just start off. I mean, the mic is about 4,000 to 5,000 rupees and you don't really need to invest too much for a start. It's a good enough mic. It can attach to your phone, it can attach to your camera, and you'll have good audio quality. Now, something about the light. Ab lights ke liye bhi I have made a very nice video which is right here. But this is only one light. You can have different kind of LED lights which are very easily available in any online store these days or offline stores wherever. And you can buy a LED light and just light yourself up. Again, technicality of how to light yourself up is in this video which I just told you about. So you can go and check it out or the link will be down below in the description. So, mic हो गया, light हो गया, phone या camera हो गया. That's all you need. You don't need anything else. Then it comes to yourself. अपनी personality, अपना content. Now let's talk about what to put in this video. What can you make a YouTube video about? What are you good at? बताओ. You think you can sing well? You think you can teach people how to sing? तो सिखाओ लोगों को गाना. अलग-अलग videos बनाओ. Teach them how to train their voices, how to try different ragas or however. If you know how to play an instrument, teach them how to play an instrument. Guitar, keyboard, saxophone, flute, clarinet, whatever. If you know cooking, give them some tips on cooking. But of course, there is a lot of content online. अब तुम ये सोचोगे कि यार मैं क्या नया करूँगा जो लोगों ने already नहीं किया हुआ. अब मैं क्या नया कर रहा हूँ? मैं भी तो वही सब बातें कर रहा हूँ. तुम्हें 1000 YouTube क्यों स्टार्ट करना चाहिए उसके ऊपर वीडियोस दिख जाएंगे. You can see so many videos on why you should be starting a YouTube channel or how you should be starting. But again, I'm making this video and still you all are watching me, right? So everyone has their own space or their own followers who will watch their content because हर एक बंदे की या बंदी की अपनी अपनी पर्सनालिटी होती है and everybody is a little different from the other or a lot different from the other and everybody has their own style of giving knowledge or teaching things or just talking about things or vlogging or however. So everybody has their own personality and different people like different kinds of people to see on the internet. तो वो हो गई बातें कि तुम कुछ सिखा सकते हो. Now you can even vlog, make daily vlogs. Like if you go somewhere, well not in this lockdown, but yeah, otherwise if you go somewhere or holiday you can make vlogs. But you need to make them a little more interesting. Do some crazy edits, put some music, put some nice interesting stuff that people will like to see and don't make like vlogs which are 20-25 minutes long because लोगों के पास इतना टाइम नहीं होता है कभी कभी. लेकिन of course, if you have something really interesting to show and talk about, people will watch it. You can narrate stories, you can dance, you can teach people how to dance. So there is endless stuff. I mean, YouTube is full of things that you won't even know existed. Or there are videos of all kinds of things. So there is no end to content. No end to content. That could be a nice title for another video. So what to put in your YouTube videos is up to you and how innovative can you get with your ideas or your videos. But the point is, don't give up because like I said, there is audience for everything that you make as long as it is of a certain standard. Don't make crap. So now thirdly, once you've started your YouTube channel, you've started making videos, the main thing that one has to do to have a good YouTube channel or sustain a YouTube channel is keep making content regularly. Do not stop. Don't think that, oh, I've made 5 videos, but look at my views. Nobody's watching my videos. यार कोई देख ही नहीं रहा. Follower भी मेरे 5 followers हैं. मुश्किल से 50 हुए followers. 1 महीना हो गया. कोई नहीं देख रहा मेरे videos. I have also gone through the same thing and I'm still going through the same thing. I still am not extremely motivated every time that I make a video, but I have to push myself because seeing the track record of all the YouTubers which have become big now, they have struggled and they have put in that hard work over years. It doesn't happen overnight. YouTube doesn't work like that. Lambi race hai ye. It's a long race and you have to work hard and you have to be consistent. Make at least a video a week, if not 2 to 3. If you can make more than 1 video a week, excellent. But at least 1 video a week you should and you have to make. Only then will you slowly grow, eventually grow. Every successful or unsuccessful YouTuber that you talk to or ask, they will say the same thing, that you have to be consistent. Lage raho. I mean, forget about followers or likes or views for maybe a year or 2 if you're very unlucky, but at least for a year or so, just keep making every week 1 video, at least. Then you see. You'll get better at what you do. You'll become popular. People will start eventually following you and YouTube will start recommending your videos to other people who watch similar content like you are creating. तो घबराओ मत. मैं हूँ तुम्हारे साथ. I'm in the same boat as you. So just start a YouTube channel because this is the present and the future. Internet, YouTube, digital content is going to last for a long time in the future. So still it's not too late to just jump on the bandwagon and start a YouTube channel. Just do it. So if you like this video, since you can't verbally tell me, just give me a like. I will know that you liked it. And please subscribe to my channel because when you become a big YouTuber, I will subscribe to your channel. Okay, so I will see you soon in the next video. Keep shooting. Yeah, that's what I meant. Bye. And I'll see you in the next. Alright, so I'll see you in the next video. Keep shooting. Yeah?